In the semiconductor temperature control device, the temperature control device of the etching equipment uses the ultra-high insulating electronic fluorinated liquid as the cooling liquid. This type of electronic fluorinated liquid has poor thermal conductivity, so the design of the temperature control device for semiconductor manufacturing in general, the heat exchange efficiency of the evaporator is improved by increasing the heat exchange area of the evaporator. In addition, in order to ensure continuous high-precision temperature control and rapid temperature adjustment, the temperature control device not only increases the heat exchange area of the evaporator, but also controls the continuous operation of the compressor during the operation of the temperature control device. In addition, the start and stop of the temperature control device is controlled by the wafer processing equipment. When the wafer processing equipment sends a shutdown command to the temperature control device, the circulation system of the temperature control device must stop running immediately.